Welcome to Seattle-Tacoma International Airport.
You've been healthy? Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today we are starting our trip. It's a 4-day trip. We're going to North Carolina, Georgia, South Carolina, and then New York. And then I'm going to Josh's wedding. He used to be the guy behind the camera. Going to his wedding. Danny's gonna come back. But we're going to be meeting with a couple of our general managers and franchisees. And of course, I'm carrying Danny's bag for him so that he can be filming. But hopefully you guys get something out of the day. This weekend is more or less just to connect with the franchisees. General managers get some really good shots of the drone and the camera for our marketing and advertising that we do for the franchisees. And so this week is a little bit stressful just because at Command Center, what happened earlier this week has really put us behind in terms of just behind on estimates and all the rest of it. So I'm a little bit stressed about that because I know they're so far behind and working crazy hours. But come along for the ride as we fly all over the place really fast. We'll see you guys.
Your journey.
I just got a franchisee lead for an introduction call, and they said they started watching the vlog a week ago, so it is working. Hey everyone, so we just landed in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is our first stop. Tomorrow is a full day. We are going to be starting off with one of our corporately owned locations with Chuck as our general manager. And then we're going to drive a few hours over to Georgia and have a larger location there at one of our franchisees. So landing here tonight, pretty late at night. It's about 11 o'clock. We'll get out, drive out to our hotel. And next couple days we'll be traveling around and hopefully enjoy it. So stay along for the ride. I see yellow. I'm in the right spot. What was your name? Manny and
Wayne Tays.
Wayne. Sorry, Wayne. Got it. So you guys just got here like a week or two ago, right?
Yeah.
In this spot?
This spot right here, he ordered this container and it came. And so far we got everything good.
Yeah.
I mean,
And then we put this gravel in, right?
Yeah.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Sweet,
And
man.
then we got our other truck back yesterday. We're getting decals on it soon and getting a resitch put
Nice.
on it.
It's like the nicest truck I've ever seen of Augustus. Cool. So where were you guys working before here?
I was working at Tim Johnson Landscape.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So you had quite a bit of experience. Oh, really? Oh, nice, nice.
He's the one who told me about the place and got me on here.
Cool, cool. Have you guys had a couple paychecks with P4P yet?
Yeah.
Cool. Have you made above base yet? Hey, good. Awesome. Yeah, so Chuck, he obviously told you he's just started the past couple months.
Yeah, he said I think January, moved down here in
Yeah.
January. He's a good person to work for.
Yeah.
A good work environment too.
Yeah. Dude, his voice is enough to get anyone in line. I don't know how anyone would have a bad attitude around him. Cool. So what's the plan for today?
Me and the new guy Tony, when he comes in, we're gonna go mow.
Okay.
I'm gonna head out early and do about a couple yards by myself, and then Manny has projects and stuff, and we got a big mulch job tomorrow.
Aeration, seating.
Got it. Today's aeration and seating. Oh,
Good to see you, buddy.
welcome.
What'd you get? That's standard. That's all they had. Yeah, they didn't have any our throttle cable.
I saw it, yeah.
Like you turn it on and go, you pull the thing, it doesn't move.
Really?
Just the tines don't move, nothing.
Just manual push.
That's what I was like, man, the push button. And we got, it's probably close to an acre aeration and
Oh, wow.
overseed job today. So
Wow.
like,
Cool. They said Wayne's gonna be mowing, then
yeah, Wayne, and then we have a part-time guy.
Tony.
Yep, Tony, but he doesn't start till 10 because he's in school, but he's getting that switch tonight so
Got
that
it.
he can.
Cool.
I got a lineman going.
What is it?
144.
Shinville
Road.
So up here, I think those are there's 3 of them right around the corner. So if you go hit those 3, we'll catch up with you.
Oh wait, yeah, there's sassafras.
Because the sassafras, they're side by side, I think.
Yeah.
It's that lady that stopped you guys 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so, okay. Sounds
You
good.
head out now.
Yep, go ahead, man, and then we'll get you. Mo, we got literally everything we do, we have today.
Cool. Yeah, we'll try to
So-
catch a couple of the mowing and then probably catch the aerator.
Okay.
Then we gotta drive over to Georgia. So
Yep. I was wondering what your guys' schedule was.
hey, this is awesome, man.
Yeah, it fits in here. He's got some pallet racking over there. He's like, you guys can just have it. We'll put it
That's
together,
sweet.
and then you put it in. I hung these little lights.
It's awesome.
Because it's dark down there, man.
Yeah, at the end there, especially in the morning, if it's not
Yeah,
right yet.
so.
Cool. Are you gonna go catch him in the other truck then?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the other truck. I'm gonna meet him over there. I'm
'Kay.
gonna make sure he's got everything, because I'm gonna throw some seed fertilizer and do some ferts today.
Okay. Do you want us to follow you then? And then
yeah,
whenever-
yeah, once we get him loaded up with his thing, if you
Okay,
just wanna
cool.
follow, we'll meet up.
All right, so we're in North Carolina now, and this is the shop. And if you watched the video a few weeks ago, or I guess a week ago, you saw the Mount Vernon location, which probably looks very, very similar to this place, which is very, very lean. We have a storage container in the back here that is mobile. This is the back of a construction company, and so there's already a bunch of trucks and all the rest of it here. We rent this space, we pay $500 a month. It includes, they haul away all of our debris, and then it includes, we get 3 trucks in here and a trailer. So you can see they just got this new truck back here, got the ramp rack coming in, but the whole design here is, again, very, very lean, very efficient. We don't have a big office space. Command center takes all their calls and all the rest of it. So same thing here as we saw at Mount Vernon. This is a 40-foot box instead of the 20-foot box, but here they got their second mowers, backup push mowers, seed, fertilizers, wheelbarrows, all their equipment, as well as a whiteboard, all their keys. Their keys hang up there on the side. So again, just very lean, very efficient. They don't have to get in an office, and everything's being handled by Command Center in terms of calls and estimates. So very lean, efficient. We're gonna go out and follow them around for some mowing and some aerating today. I just want to say bye.
Oh, you heading out?
Yeah, I'm heading
Hey,
out.
it was nice meeting you, man.
Thanks for letting us film you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Chuck had kind of mentioned if you ever are interested in like general manager or anything like that, let me know.
Okay.
He had mentioned, hey, Wayne doesn't want to cut grass for the rest of his life.
Yeah, he told me about the 2-year thing, and I'm pretty interested in that, to be honest.
And even too, like I was thinking, because Chuck's idea is to start his own, because he's the general manager.
Yeah.
Even if like once he did leave, if he took this over,
Yeah.
right? Because then you have a lot more money in terms of just the general manager position, but even still like just the experience side.
Yeah.
So if there's anything I can do for you, let me know. But definitely Chuck, like if you can ask him about numbers, like all that sort of thing.
Yeah, because I like the fact that, like, you get 2 meetings a year,
Yeah.
the account books and everything.
Yeah.
I mean, I like that. But see, this is what I like to do. I like to be outside.
Yeah, yeah.
I like to be outside,
Yeah.
man. I can't be cooped up in a factory.
No.
I cannot.
And that's the nice thing, like with Command Center, we don't have an office, right? So like,
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about the calls and things like that. But if there's anything I can do, let me know.
Okay.
But definitely, I know he's willing to share numbers or anything just to learn more, right?
Okay, yeah.
So I appreciate your work.
Hey, I appreciate
Thanks,
you.
brother. You have a good one. Enjoy it. Take care, brother. So we're halfway through the month of April. Chuck said they have about $36,000 on the book for this month. He has 2 full-time employees and 1 part-time employee, and he's looking for more people. So if you want to become his 3rd or 4th employee, definitely hit him up. We're in North Carolina here, in Mooresville, just outside Charlotte, and he's growing pretty quickly. So very proud of what he's doing here. He's working his tail off, and very, very, growing very quickly.